Welcome to Critical Reviews. Today, we're diving into the not-so-glamorous side of the Duracell portable washing machine. Stick around as we uncover the 7 reasons why this product might not be the best choice for you. Reason number 7. The washing capacity is only 11 liters. While it sounds decent, in reality, it barely fits a few items. If you're hoping to do a full load, you might as well be washing a single sock. Moving on to reason 6. The machine's cleaning modes are a bit of a joke. With only 3 options, you might find yourself wishing for a more customizable experience. Sometimes, you just need a good old-fashioned scrub. Reason 5. The noise level is surprisingly high for such a small machine. If you thought you could wash clothes quietly while binge-watching your favorite show, think again. This little guy might just drown out your favorite scenes. Reason 4. The build quality leaves much to be desired. Many users have reported that the machine feels flimsy and not very durable. You might find yourself treating it like a delicate flower rather than a washing machine. Reason 3. The drainage system can be a hassle. Users have complained about water pooling and not draining properly, which can turn your laundry day into a mini flood. Not exactly the kind of excitement you want while doing laundry. Reason 2. The price point of $59 might seem reasonable, but considering the performance, it feels a bit steep. You might be better off investing in a more reliable machine that actually gets the job done. And finally, reason 1. The overall effectiveness of this washing machine is questionable. Many users have reported that it doesn't clean clothes as well as expected, leaving them feeling less than fresh. If you're looking for a thorough clean, you might want to keep searching. So there you have it, 7 reasons why the Duracell portable washing machine might not be the best investment for your laundry needs. Thanks for watching Critical Reviews, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more honest product reviews.